how to fix Binance verification failed. So what we want to do is just load up the Binance app, and once we have the app open, we will click on the yellow icon in the top left corner. From here you will be able to see the status of your account. So for me it's verified, but here's what we want to do. Just click on verified and it's going to take us to the verification center. So depending on which option you failed to verify or which section you failed to verify, you will be able to find it here. Now I'm just going to scroll all the way down and click on the frequently asked questions. So I just clicked on the frequently asked questions for identity verification, and if you're experiencing any issues, you can read through these separate articles on how to complete the separate steps. And that's basically how you do it. You find whichever steps you fail to verify or complete, and if you need help, you can use the frequently asked questions for the specific steps that you weren't able to complete. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.